क्या हाल है दोस्तों। जी हाँ, ये मेरे चैनल का पेज है। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें और यहाँ रेगुलरली वीडियोस जो है वो अपडेट होती रहेगी। सो आज का जो टॉपिक है हमारा, वो किस तरीके की बीपीओ सर्विसेज हम लोग प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं अगर हमें अपना सेटअप करना है या सब कुछ है, तो उसके बारे में जानकारी दूंगा कि कैसे कैसे आप लोग, मतलब कैसे कैसे तो क्या किस तरह की सर्विसेज जो है आप प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं। सो कैटेगरीज़ की बात कर रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे। किस टाइप की कैटेगरीज जो है बीपीओ सर्विस की, मतलब जो हम लोग प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं। Different service providers have different areas of expertise. So based on their expertise, BPO services are categorized into various types. ठीक है। तो पहला जो टाइप है वो ह्यूमन रिसोर्स है। ठीक है। हम बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज में बात करते हैं, देखते हैं कि मतलब जो ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज हैं वो प्रोवाइड करती है, एचआर जो होते हैं कंपनीज को वो प्रोवाइड करती है। ठीक है। सो ह्यूमन रिसोर्स वो पहली सर्विस है जो जनरली प्रोवाइड की जाती है, दूसरी कंपनीज प्रोवाइड करती हैं। ह्यूमन रिसोर्स, owing to the global competition in the marketplace, organizations need efficient employees to respond to such stiff competition. Thus, human resource has become one of the crucial part of an organization process. This has led to high demand of organizations that provide human resource outsourcing, HRO services, जिसको भी हम बोलते हैं. There are various activities performed under the human resource functions such as payroll, recruitment, and selection, performance management, and so on. HR advisory, training and development, compliance of compensation, etc. etc. So for that we need HR resources. So companies जो है वो hire करती है HR resources, ओके, दूसरी कंपनीज से, जो दूसरी कंपनीज आउटसोर्स कर रही है। ओके। फाइनेंस एंड अकाउंटिंग जो है वो दूसरी सर्विस है जिसकी अभी हम बात करेंगे, वो भी है एज ए बीपीओ सर्विस कंपनीज देती है। Finance and accounting function of an organization involves a large number of activities such as payroll, account payables, and receivable tax and compliance, credit collection, general accounting, bank reconciliations, credit budgeting and cash management. Organizations prefer करती है आउटसोर्स करना, ठीक है, इन सारी एक्टिविटीज़ को और प्रोसेस को to specialized services providers in the finance domain to achieve cost effectiveness and focus on core processes. ठीक है। सो सम प्रोमिनेंट बीपीओ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस जो है वो इस सर्विस को देती है, वो है जेनपैक्ट, एसेंचर, एक्सेल सर्विसेज, आईबीएम, टाटा कंसल्टेंसी सर्विसेज, इन्फोसिस, विप्रो, कैपजेमिनी। ठीक है। तो ये सब है। मॉर्टगेज की जो है वो भी एक सर्विस है जो दूसरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन प्रोवाइड करती है। Increasing population and development of real estate has led to an immense growth of mortgage industries. However, the industries is exposed to a number of risks such as जो मतलब इंटरेस्ट रेट है, फ्रिक्वेंट चेंजेस है प्राइस में, रेगुलेटरी नॉर्म्स है, वो सारी चीज़ों के कारण जो है रिस्क में ही है एक तरह से। टू अवॉइड सच रिस्क, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन प्रेफर्स टू आउटसोर्स मैनी ऑफ देयर mortgage activities and processes to third party service providers. ठीक है। So outsourcing of mortgage services help organization to reduce cost, avoid risk and attain improved services level. Okay. So some of the commonly outsourced services include loan origination, loan processing, underwriting, scheduling, document preparation, account administration, loan boarding, loan servicing, closing and funding, line satisfaction, foreclosure management. Some of the popular BPO organization जो ये ऑफर करता है mortgage industries are Accenture, ISGN, TCS, Wipro, Quarto Mortgage और WNS, EXL. फोर्थ वन इज़ कस्टमर सपोर्ट एग्जीक्यूटिव. ये जो है मतलब मेनली देखा जाता है कि काफ़ी सारी जो है वो प्रोवाइड करती है कस्टमर सपोर्ट एग्जीक्यूटिव. मेनली बीपीओ में आती है ये. With an increased level of global competition, every organization need to focus on better customer services so as to retain the best choices for client organization. Customer support may include pre-sales, post-sale activities. Services providers must communicate with their client to understand their requirements, get their feedback on services received, and addresses their queries on time. Interaction with client may takes place through various modes such as chat, email, phone, social media and self support websites. प्रोक्योरमेंट जो है वो एक और सर्विसेज है जिसकी भी बात करेंगे हम. वो भी बीपीओ सर्विसेज में आती है, प्रोवाइड करते हैं लोग. प्रोक्योरमेंट. So, effective procurement helps an organization to acquire appropriate goal or services at cost-effective prices. Okay, with increase in global competition, the role of procurement has become crucial from the perspective of strategic significance to organization. As per the report given by Optimum Procurement Group, a procurement outsourcing and consulting company organization typically spend 50% of their revenue in procuring goods and services. Moreover, any reduction in procurement spending results in improving the aggregate मतलब profitability. Therefore, procurement outsourcing has rapidly become one of the key segments of BPO industry. So Genpact, Infosys, IBM और ऐसी सारी organizations है that have gained prominence as a procurement service providers. Sixth one is logistic. Logistic is one among the outsourcing services that have gained attention in the last few years. Effective logistic services are of paramount importance for making timely delivery of material handling, packaging, transportation, inventory, information flows, and warehousing. Efficient logistic activities result into lower cost, increased customer satisfaction, and higher profitability. Therefore, many organizations outsource their logistic operations to external service providers like IBM, Accenture, and some organizations that offer logistic services. Real estate is seventh one. Real estate is one of the booming sector that caters to the need of increasing population and growing industrial infrastructure. The real estate industries is vulnerable to market variation. Thus, it becomes essential for organizations operating within the sector to focus on value proposition in order to enhance their operation and maintain high productivity level. Many organizations therefore prefer to outsource their business activities and services to third party service providers. Services includes जो है agency leasing, physical security, real estate investment, maintenance, property management, customer services, parking facilities management, hotel advisory, and disaster recovery. Organizations that offers real estate services include JLL, CNW, CBRE, Marcus and Colliers, Coldwell Banker Commercial, Grubb and Ellis, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, ये सारी जो है कंपनीज प्रोवाइड करती हैं। और कुछ मिसलेनियस सर्विसेज हैं जिनके बारे में हम बात करेंगे। So apart from the categories which we discussed now, so there are various other categories that have been or that have become part of BPO industries these days. These categories are energy, healthcare, retail and consumer goods, manufacturing, insurance, legal services, risk management, travel and leisure, content, telecommunication, media, entertainment. सो ये सब जो है वो कैटेगरीज है बीपीओ सर्विस की। सो अगर अपना कुछ बिजनेस ओपन करना है या बीपीओ सर्विस देनी है, मतलब आउटसोर्स करनी है या जो भी है, तो आप लोग इनमें से चूज़ कर सकते हैं, मतलब एक रेफरेंस के तौर पे। थैंक यू। और प्लीज़ चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट सब करें। थैंक यू।